Greetings friends, welcome. Today we're talking about using modules in NodeJS and specifically how we can use them but still use existing NPM packages. An example, we're going to use Puppeteer here today, which are based on CommonJS. So there's two differing technologies for modules there, but Node.js has managed to incorporate both for us, and we'll look at how we can do that today. So let's jump in. I'll just create a directory here and we'll install Puppeteer, which we'll use for our example. This may take a second, so I'll just speed this bit up for you. Okay, that's good. Let's open up Visual Studio Code and we'll dive in. We'll create initially a version using just CommonJS. Well, yeah, just to show it running at least anyway. So I've just pasted in some code here. Basically, we're pulling in Puppeteer using require, so it's a CommonJS call there. We're setting up Puppeteer. We're navigating to this website, and we're just outputting the title of the website there. So let's give that a run. So we do node main.js. That should just come back and give us the title of that page, BBC homepage, I think. Just give that a second. Okay, so there we go. That's what we're getting back. Right, we want to. So say we want to refactor this out into modules. Let's take the title out. Yeah, if we were going to grab that, and we want to make a call to some function here that we're going to create, get title. So what do we need to do? We need to create a new file in here, and let's save that off. And the thing to note here now then is, so this is going to be our get title module, but I'm going to name it MJS. The extension needs to be an MJS rather than JS. And this is what Node uses to determine that it's either a CommonJS or a module file. All right, let's create our function in here. So we'd have an async function get title, which takes the page, and it's just going to return that title that we had before. So we need to export that, and if we now come back into our file, we can now pull that in using normal module syntax. So we can do import get title, and that is from get title and .mjs. So we need to specify an extension, and we need to specify a relative path here. And with that, we've refactored then to modules on this file, but we need to do it on our main file as well. We need to tell Node that this is now using modules. So this needs to be an MJS. So all our files need to be an MJS. And I'll show you the kind of first problem you might have here. So let's now try and run this node.mjs, and it's going to complain about the require statement because we can't have a mixture of CommonJS and modules in here. We just want it to be modules. Luckily, Node is intelligent enough to work out what to do if we import this CommonJS NPM package Puppeteer using module syntax now. So we can simply call import Puppeteer rather than doing the require statement, and that should make it fairly happy. So if we run it here now, we're still getting our home page coming back. So it's quite straightforward. You just got to rename your files as MJS files, and also change your import from a require statement to an import using the module syntax, and you're off and running. So there you go, modules in Node.js. Hope that was interesting. Give me a thumbs up if you liked it. Don't forget to hit that subscribe for new videos as they come out, and thanks very much for watching. Bye.